Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preserving data and getting a live installer ready. First, copy important files off the Android X86 system and any other partitions to an external drive because deletion is permanent. Then create a bootable USB with the OS you plan to install or with a partitioning tool. Use Rufus for Windows ISOs or Etcher for Linux. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI, set USB as first boot device, and, if necessary, temporarily disable Secure Boot so the media will load. You'll now remove Android partitions safely. Boot the live USB and launch G, parted on Linux or Disk Management on Windows. This gives you a visual map of volumes. Identify Android X86 partitions by file system type, ext4 or swap, and size, plus any EFI/grub entries on the EFI system partition. Then delete or format those partitions to NTFS or ext4 as needed, and either create a new partition for a different OS or leave unallocated space to expand adjacent volumes. Make sure you've chosen finish by restoring a proper bootloader and completing installation. If you're installing another OS, run the installer and let it write the new bootloader to the EFI partition so the system boots cleanly. If you removed Android to return to Windows, boot recovery media and run startup repair, or use BCD boot to restore the Windows boot record. If the machine won't boot, use the live USB to mount the EFI partition and repair or reinstall grub or the Windows boot files. This single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.